So comes a time when you're working on a bike, and to me, I always have to give them a name. It gives me some sort of special connection to them. I don't know why, it's just something I like to do. And quite often I can't do it right off the bat. You know, you can't figure it out. You have to work with it, put your hands on it, massage the thing, and then one day it'll come to you, and that's what she'll be to you from there on in. And it's not a serious decision, but it's a decision you shouldn't take lightly because it has to mean something. This trike started out from pieces. It's been a lot of work all the way through, but I enjoyed the working on it, and I still enjoy finishing it up. And to me, she's a black pearl. The ocean's a mysterious place, and she hides her secrets from us well. Littered throughout the bottom of the vast ocean is treasure. Vast quantities of treasure left by pirates, looting, and ships destroyed. Of course, Johnny Depp has made it, the Black Pearl, Pirates of the Caribbean. Everyone has a very different idea of what their special thing is. Some guys just stop and see this beautiful Harley Davidson. To them, it's the Black Pearl. It's the most beautiful bike I ever seen. I need it, I want it, I gotta have it. A lot of the pirates' girlfriends were high-end, to say the least, and they loved to be showered with gifts and jewels and pearls. And they sat and they pined and they waited for him to come back because they knew they would bring them boxes of jewels when they came. But the folklore and the truth about Blackbeard is true. Edward Teach is famously known as Blackbeard. He was killed on November the 22nd in 1781 in a fierce battle. Unfortunately, he came to an awful end. I believe they put his head on a spike or something in the end. I think about the Black Pearl and how she ruled the seas. The ship was Queen Anne's Revenge, which he stole that from the British and proceeded to wreak havoc throughout the seas for years and years. But the fact remains that the Black Pearl was a fantastic fighting ship, and that Edward Teach was very, very proud to have her. They say he used to take wicks for lighting cannons and put them under his hat, on, light all the wicks on fire, scare the hell out of his enemy when he came at them. I'm sure it did put the fear in many, many, many people. Many battles erupted over the seas with the British and others. The men who sailed with him were rough and tumble seamen who stood by Blackbeard without any doubt in their mind. It's his ship, and I know it meant a lot to him at the time. This bike means a lot to me, so that's why we've called her the Black Pearl. So follow us along with the build as we go. I'm looking forward to getting it out for a drive, and we're not far from that. Spring is coming, so stick with us and we'll see how it goes. And as we get that done and get the pieces in ready, we'll go on from. We can see that our little yellow marks are lining up, although they're hard to see there. Outside is in there like that. See, we got our little 2 pinholes lined up there, so we know our gears are in line, making sure that we're engaged in the starter. By using the bottom ones first, we've got the oil tank put in it there. We have to hook up our oil lines. And the stainless is on the top one. Piston good so that our ring compressor can easily. So you want to make sure and pay attention to what you're putting on there. Soaking for the best part of the afternoon in this oil. There's a small hole in it. This little one as well. And we're at the top. So as we get our reverse gear ready, is a reverse gear switch. There's a T slot. Not going in where it wants to go. This is what we're going to do. We're going to put a mount through here to allow it to go 360 degrees.